Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to make a book cover design on Photoshop. Without any further delay, let's dive into the video. So we bring in our first background image. I'm going to resize it. Then after that we'll go to filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur. We'll set it to 64. Then we'll bring in our second image for the background, resize it. And after we add the layer mask, we add the mask, select our brush tool, then we treat the edges of the image to blend well with the image at the back. Then after doing that, we resize it a bit small. Then we change the mode to lightning. Then we'll bring in another image again. We'll resize it. But before that, we off that one and we'll bring in another image again. We shift it up, resize it up a bit. So we add the marks, we select our brush, so then we treat the edges of the image. Then we change the layer mode to color dodge. Then we shift the one we brought back, set the layer mode to soft light. Then we bring in another image again. Then we resize it. Then we add the marks, we set our brush to treat the edges of the image. Resize it a bit. Then we'll change the layer mode to luminosity. Then we'll bring in our main image, that's the skull. We'll hide that one first, then we'll bring in another image to treat the brightness at the top. We'll add the marks, then we treat the edges of the image. Then change it to add light. Go to blur and Gaussian blur, set it to 11.1. So we'll shift our skull image up, resize it, centralize it. And we'll add the layer. We'll select and we'll use our eyedropper to select the color green from the background. Then we'll paint the edges of the skull. Then after that, we'll change the layer mode to color. Then we just right click on it and then select create clip mask. Reduce the opacity a bit. So after doing that, we'll add the layer mask again. we'll select, change it to color red, then we'll paint the smoke the cigarette, the underneath of the cigarette in the mouth of the skull. Then after doing that, yes, so after doing that, we'll change the layer mode to overlay, then we'll clip mask it again. So we'll try adjusting the skull. You right click on the skull layer, then you click on wrap. You play along with the stuff. Yeah. So after doing that, we'll try adjusting the layer color. So it's time to write our text. We name it Deadly, the text of our book cover design. We name it Deadly Secrets. So type it secrets, then we enlarge it. We change the font name, the font to Acry Script Personal. You can get it on daffont.com. Resize it, then we'll drag it down, centralizing it. Centralize it, yes, like that. And we'll try shifting the skull head a bit. Then we'll duplicate it, the text, right, to type Deadly, and resize it to a small. Yep, just like that. Yeah. Resize it. So now I want to write the name of the writer, the name of the author. So since I'm the one doing it, the design, so name it Enix Design. Yeah, so just like that. You centralize it. Yeah. So I want to give it a gradient color. So we check which one. Yep. Yeah, this one. So the gradient will be available for you in the description below. And so that's it for the design now. So I've got a book mockup that I downloaded from freepik.com. So we want to save our work now. Yeah, so document. Yeah, so go for the front and back, right click. We want to edit the markup now, the book markup. So for the back, I've already done the back. Yeah, so this is the back. So drag it into the Photoshop. So we resize it. So resize it. Yeah. Save that one. So do it. See how you see how the design is coming out. How the design look now. So for the front of the book, we edit that. So of all the things there, then we drag in, we bring in our design we did, resize it. Yeah, then you save it. Then and so this is how our design look. You can see it. Yeah, and so that's it on how to design a book cover design using Photoshop. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I upload another tutorial video. Thank you and see you next time.